Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. I know I'm shooting after a very long time. In between, I think for a few months I was away from YouTube and I needed that time for myself, and now I'm back. I'm much more happy and contained, and I really wanted to focus on YouTube, and I miss you guys so much. In these months where I was not shooting, I did not uploaded any video, any other update from my end, but still there were so many views, so many of you have supported me, so many of you have commented on my videos, and you won't believe how much those comments, those feedbacks made me happy. So thank you so much for watching these videos, even there was not a latest one. I see very old videos getting views, so thank you so much. It is because of you guys and your support that I'm back, and I'm much more interested to continue the videos here. And this is the new setup, and I hope you guys enjoy the setup and upcoming videos. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure that you get notification of new videos that I'll be uploading very soon. I have a lot of videos and content planned in my mind, but this one is something which I had committed around 5 months back, that I will be shooting this. And I know many of you are interested to know about these two products. They are like widely popular, and which one is best in general, like what I think, and I can give you the review from my end. I have tried both of these products and I'll tell you how they worked out for me and which one I actually prefer. So let me start by showing you the products that we are going to discuss today. First one is the Pixi Glow Tonic. You guys would have seen this product 1,000 times on YouTube, Nykaa, every other beauty website which have products, skincare product would have Pixi now. Like this one is like widely popular, award-winning toner. The second one that we're going to talk about is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. I know you guys would have seen this too. If you know anything about makeup or beauty, you guys would know what is Pixi and the Ordinary in today's world, in today's beauty era. These are like really two important brands out there, and we're going to compare their toners today. Now, before I start about how they worked out for me, I want to tell you what is toner. So once you wash your face, you immediately move to moisturizer, right? That's what we most of the people do, and that's what we prefer. Like immediately we wash our face, we clean it, and then we move towards moisturizer. But in reality, what dermatologists suggest is you should wash your face, pat it dry, not rub the towel on your face, pat it dry, and then you use toner. Toner basically bring back that moisture to your skin which got removed while you wash your face, no matter the mildness of that face wash. If you have washed your face, your skin is now deprived of moisture. So to bring it back to the normal state, and before you move out to the hydration part, you have to use a toner so that your skin is a bit balanced. I have tried it back in I think 2013. I picked up a drugstore toner that is so bad. Like this one is like gold standard that we are talking today. I recall in 2013, I'm not going to name that brand, but that's a drugstore really popular brand, and they just bought their toner line in the market, and that was like pathetic. Like that gave me really so many pimples, acne. My skin was getting dry and dry. My skin was in general, touch wood, was like really good, but this toner was making it bad, so I had to stop it. I even had to throw out the bottle, and I felt so bad that this toner again did not work out for me. And then again I tried something from the drugstore, and that didn't work either. So I understood that the relationship between me and toner is not gonna be simple, and I skipped it for like next 7 years. I think I skipped toner, and we never looked out at each other. I was like, okay, I need everything in skincare, but toner is something I can avoid. So when Ordinary came into picture and into the skincare world, I was like, okay, I will try everything, and I was not concerned about toner. The moment they had their toner, I was like, okay, let me at least try toner, because I have given up every toner, but when it comes to Ordinary, I trust the brand, I trust their ingredients. They are really good. Their niacinamide, their salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, so many products I've tried and I love them. So I was like, okay, let me try this one, how bad it could go. And this was alcohol free. if you want to take away anything from this video, just one liner: use toner which is alcohol free. Alcohol is going to deprive your skin of moisture, which is basically not the task of toner. I don't know why they put in there. It's really harmful for your skin. It will deprive your skin of the hydration which it actually needs, and we do so much for hydration, but then these toners actually worsen the situation by giving us more and more pimples. So avoid toners that have alcohol in it, and anything will work, but toner with alcohol is worst decision you will make for your skin. So when Ordinary came with their toner, so this is the toner they came up with, and they talked about glycolic acid. I was like, what is glycolic acid? This is basically a mild exfoliator, and so many dermatologists suggest glycolic acid to those who have active acne or pimples, so it mildly exfoliates. Now the percentage is what plays the main role over here in these two products. So when I came across Ordinary, I'll talk about this first because this was the first product I tried, and then this was like 7%. Now me having combination skin, so I have normal skin everywhere, and around this T-zone I have combination like oily skin. Not too oily, but yet it gets oily within like 3 to 4 hours after washing. So this one is made for like night skincare routine. You don't have to use toner in morning because it exfoliates and make your skin sensitive, and when you use it in morning, the sun rays will actually harm your skin more, and you have to have used a sunscreen. You cannot skip sunscreen if you are using any toner. You have to use sunscreen. So when I used it, this costed me rupees 2200, and I got it from one of the Instagram page because it is not available in India. DCM is not yet here. All the products I got is from one of the Instagram page. I'll link it down below. You guys can check that out, and those brands, like 2-3 brands I know, but I'm going to put out the best one. So the Blue Day is the brand from where I got this product, and they are quite reliable. Everything is authentic, touch wood, everything is really high quality, and they deliver within the set time. Like there was no delay. If they told me this will come within 10 days, it came within 10 to 12 days maximum. So that's that. So when it came to me within like 10 to 12 days of booking, it was really good. It was all packed, and there was a cardboard box which I am not showing you. It's, you can find it everywhere. So this was the box. It's plastic, and there is a nozzle, so you can open and use the product from here. So it's quite hygienic packaging. It's not that heavy. Now this is 240 ml for 200 rupees, which I think is a really good deal. You are getting quite a lot of product within this amount. 240 ml is really good. So I've enjoyed almost one bottle, and for the initial first week it was really hard for me to continuously use toner because I'm a lazy person when it comes to toner. So I have to continuously remind myself to use toner every night, and I made a commitment that I'll use toner every night no matter what, except the time I was getting facials. So this toner worked really well on my uneven skin tone. My skin was quite uneven around forehead and cheeks, but this made a difference. There was no whiteheads that I had earlier. There were certain whiteheads I was getting around the chin which suddenly stopped. I don't know what happened, or it was because of the toner. Then there was no blackhead. My skin was actually glowing. So the glycolic acid 7% really worked well for me, and it did not irritated my skin because I had clear skin already. So I did not had to go through that phase where it burns or anything like that. It didn't do anything like that. And even when I saw reviews of people who have used it, they have not seen any kind of irritation or burning feeling on their face. So I think this is a safe bet. And then I used it for like 2 bottles. That kind of dedication I had for this product, it worked so well for me, and I think most of the people whom I've heard from, this product worked so well. And then there is no aroma in it. It smells like nothing, just water. So this is really good. It has no color, no aroma, nothing. It's a very easy, simple, ready to use toner which is not going to disturb your nose, or it's not going to irritate you at all. So if you have sensitive nose, this is something you'll be very easy with, easy to go option, and I really loved it. Now when Pixi came to India, so this is very recently, around last year when Pixi came to India and it got launched on Nykaa, I was like, okay, I've used almost 2 bottles of this product. Now I should give my skin something new to try out, because skin becomes habitual to products, so we should switch in between here and there just to make sure that skin is still adaptable and it can go on with new products. Sometimes we use certain product so many times that our skin cannot take up other ingredients, which is really bad for us, so we should switch in between. So what I did is I went ahead and bought this from Nykaa. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic 100 ml and this costed me rupees 1400, which is okay considering this I'm getting in India, while this one I have to buy from abroad. So this one without any shipping, no extra charge, just 1400 and 100 ml of Glow Tonic. So I really love the name and everything, and it looks really interesting. The packaging is really well. This one is like really simple and sleek, and that's the motto of DCM. They don't do anything about marketing. But this one on the other hand looks like a pretty bottle and what matches my top as well. So it's a really pleasant bottle, again plastic, so that's that. When I started using this one, I felt that this is really mild for my skin. This one was making my skin softer, but the glow was not that strong which I used to get in this one. I felt that this product is not so good for combination or oily skin. For me, it was just like a toner. There was no exfoliation. I felt there was not clean feeling, a clean feeling which you get while I was using this one. So this one worked for me. I have used one bottle. As you can see, there is nothing left. I enjoyed it, but especially in winters last December, so December, January, I enjoyed it because it was mild. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna go for something really strong, but I used it, I enjoyed it. But when this went out of stock for some time, I was like, I'm gonna run and pick up the Ordinary again. So I had to go back, pick up the Ordinary again, because I feel that my skin, the combination and oily skin zone people, they will feel that the 7% works really well. I was getting a bit of unevenness on my skin with this one. Like I was feeling my skin is a bit dull, not that glowing, and there was a little bit of dullness on my face. So when I used, though it's not much of a difference, this is 5% glycolic acid, this is 7%, and I'm going to list the ingredients right here at the below. You can see the ingredients. There's not much difference. The only difference is this one works better for my skin. It gives me brighter, even skin tone, while this one is like a 7 out of 10 and this one is like 9.5 out of 10. This is that good. The only concern is this is not available in India, so you will have to go to purchase this from the Instagram pages, but they are quite good and I've used them and they are quite reliable, so you can definitely try that. And this is like 2200 rupees and this is like 1400. How many times can I afford 1400 rupees for this much size? I think this one lasts to 3 to 4 months, and I already have one of the bottle. I'll show you. So this is the last bottle that I had tried, and you can see there's still left. So it takes a lot of energy and effort to actually complete all these bottle and empty them. So I believe this is one of the most amazing product I have tried, and in between these two, let me just clearly loudly tell you that I'm going to go with the Ordinary Glycolic 7% toner. This is the best. This is a mild one, so if you have sensitive normal skin, definitely it's a good product, no doubt. It's really beautiful, award winning product, but I think this will work best with normal and sensitive skin. I think oily and combination skin people will love this one. This definitely has an aroma, and which is a bit strong. I feel products nowadays should be fragrance free. We are seeing so much of changes in the brand, but this one comes, it's not disturbing, it's not bad aroma, it's really good herbal, but then again I feel this is a bit of too much. Even the quantity is less. I totally go with the Ordinary Glycolic Acid. So there's definitely area where these two products will fit in. This is for normal skin. If you don't have any problem, you want to have a toner and routine, this is the best option. The only thing is this is quite expensive considering the quantity I get, and this one I think everyone prefers, and combination oily skin will mainly enjoy this one, and the quantity is really good. So that's my take, that's my understanding. If you love this one, go with it. You guys would enjoy it. It's definitely a really good, as I said, these are like gold standard. This is a good product, but out of these two, personally, I will go with the Ordinary. And by default, I think Ordinary is such an impressive brand. I really loved the products they create, and I truly adore and enjoy them. So that's my quick and short and no fuzz review for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy me coming back on YouTube. Definitely let me know what you think about this video, or you want me to film any other new video about any other skincare product or makeup product. And I'm going to make a lot of videos about skincare, because I think people are so much focused on skincare, which is really good sign that people now talk about healthy lifestyle, good skin, good quality products, and I really enjoy such discussions. So if you want something about skincare or any kind of product, definitely let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed me talking this long, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon. You guys take care of yourself. Bye.